Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Twitter app. Do not fix or how to solve your Twitter app. You should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here we'll enter to Twitter app. After that we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. After that we click clear cache. And in the end you can turn off your phone. Then you can know how to fix your problems on Twitter app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your